Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off sync in Google Chrome privacy settings. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your browser window. You'll notice three vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is your main menu icon. Go ahead and click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can customize and manage different aspects of your browser. The settings page opens in a new tab, making it easy to navigate through different configuration options. Now, once you're on the settings page, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a navigation panel with several categories. Make sure you're currently on the You and Google section. This section is specifically designed to manage your Google account integration with Chrome, including sync features and personalization options. Within the You and Google section, click on Sync and Google Services. This option controls how your Chrome data synchronizes across different devices and what information gets shared with your Google account. It's an important privacy setting that determines whether your browsing history, bookmarks, passwords, and other data are stored in the cloud. After clicking into Sync and Google Services, you'll be able to see a Turn Off button prominently displayed on the page. This button is what you'll use to disable the sync feature completely. Click on this Turn Off button to proceed with disabling synchronization. Once you click Turn Off, a confirmation dialog will appear on your screen. Here's where you have an important choice to make. You'll see a checkbox labeled Remove Bookmarks, History, Passwords, and more from this device. If you want to completely clear all your synced data from this particular device, go ahead and check this box. However, if you want to keep your existing data on this device but simply stop future syncing, you can leave it unchecked. The choice depends on your specific privacy needs. After making your decision about the checkbox, click the Turn Off button in the confirmation dialog to finalize the process. And that's it, you've successfully disabled Chrome Sync in your privacy settings. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.